Do you have a moisture problem from washing down, or do you have a factory where you're making paper molded product that you're using moisture and heat to make the cool molded cardboard packaging things? We were in both of these situations recently, and they were wondering if big fans would help them out because they have so much moisture in the air, everything's getting all wet. The floors are getting wet, it's hot, and they just want to keep things drier and more comfortable. So our answer to those was, you're creating a lot of moisture. The moisture has to leave. The big fans make air goes in circles, but this first step is adding an exhaust fan. You've got to get the moisture out of the building. And then once you've gotten the moisture going, adding a big ceiling fan will help get everything suspended much easier. By having a big fan and really circulating the air, you'll get the moisture lifted off the floor a lot easier. But you'll still need that exhaust fan to get the moisture out. So you want a nice dry area to work in while you're still adding moisture in another area. You've got to have an exhaust fan. A big fan will make it better, but the exhaust fan is still critical to get the moisture out of the building.